The Instagram Explore page, the place where viral posts go, or where posts go to go viral.
Wow.
But what is the formula? What is the secret? Shh. What is the key? I'm making this video because you need to know how to reach the Explore page on Instagram. In this video, you'll learn all the tricks you can do as a new or as a seasoned Instagram creator by going over some strategies I used for clients. What am I doing? Should I even be sharing that?
Nope.
What if something happens to me right after I share those tips? What's going on? Hey, I'm Dr. Nikki. I talk about all things personal branding and growing on Instagram, so subscribe if you're new. And hey, there's a secret word in the video, and if you find it, comment it down below for a chance to win $5. Here is the winner on this video. According to a statistic by @Espresso, 63% of Instagram users, or over half of Instagram accounts, browse the Explore section at least once a month, which means people use the feature. They don't just use Instagram to check on friends' photos, they use the Explore page as a method to find new content by new Instagram accounts. This is where you fit in. There's also one thing, an interesting statistic @Espresso found. Again, over half of the Instagram users check the app at least once per day, and 42% open the app multiple times within the same day, which means most of Instagram's users are highly engaged on Instagram. It's not like Facebook and all the boomers in it. So if you've got strong, high quality content that is of interest and as of value for your audience, you will hit the Explore page regularly. Although there are a few things you gotta know. People are checking IG and going viral in 2020. It is still possible. Yes, it is hard to compete, but the thing you gotta know and gotta understand is the Instagram Explore page will recommend you in cycles. For a few weeks or months, you'll be on the Explore page if your content is high value, and then for a few weeks or months, you won't be there. It's the same thing on hashtags, and let me show you a few examples. Okay, so when I viewed the insights on this post, I have over 1,000 likes, and I'm getting a bunch of likes on it, but it's not actually ranking on hashtags and on the Explore page. It's mainly my followers. And what I've come to realize is, if I go on my insights, over the last year I rarely have 1k likes content. But if I go on a post like this, it was ranking on hashtags with just 500 likes. Check this, 500 likes, we got 1k hashtags, no Explore page, right, and a few followers. This photo had over 400 likes and didn't rank on hashtags, right? It had a really good reach, but it was all from my followers. But this photo that just had 70 likes, 72 likes, was reaching on the Explore page for a little bit, but it didn't perform well, so it stopped. And the photo after it got the same amount of likes, but didn't reach it. So from this example, we learned two things. First, you rank on the Explore page in cycles, and second of all, if you go on the Explore page, your post doesn't perform well enough, Instagram will kick you out from the Explore page. So what content quality do you need to go on the Explore page? So we'll go over my Explore page and we'll see the positioning, how many people are there in the photo, are there tips, are there motivational quotes. I'm in the business niche and I like content within this niche. So if I go on my Explore page right here, I have photo manipulation photos, I have some news photos, yeah, mostly motivational photo manipulation. If I go on this photo, for example, it's from someone that has 70k followers, which is not too little, not too much. He basically has a theme page, it seems, for minimal gaming setups. He says it right here. If you check his stories, he's not promoting this photo, which he should be, and I'll explain why. If you check the photo, it's actually posted 3 days ago, which is interesting. The color palette, is it an aesthetic fit? I don't think so. What else do we see? We see another photo from Set of Vogue. So it seems Again, this thesis that you're ranking on Explore page in cycles works. photo manipulation, another task. I can see that most of the photos have over 1,000 likes to go on the export page. And some of the photos here are recent, but check this photo out. It's from 26th of August. Today is the 8th of September, so that's like 2 weeks, nearly 2 weeks after it was posted. It's still on the export page, which tells a very interesting story as well. Posts on the export page aren't always recent. Posts aren't like fruits. As they get old, they get rotten. No, they're like wine. As they get older, they get better. It's even more so in YouTube, but it's also so on Instagram. So if you see a photo outperforming your posts and it's a little bit older, 1 week ago, 5 days ago, you can still promote it on your Instagram stories, which is a tip that I'm going to give you right now. Promote your posts on Instagram stories. Not just your recent posts, but the posts they are outperforming. So for me, the most recent post that I posted like yesterday, I will promote it this week because I have the hopes of it reaching the export page, and because it's performing well, I think it can stay there for a little bit longer. Check the color scheme. Look, you might not be big on colors, but you don't have to be a colorist to get the Instagram algo. I have issues determining whether or not dark blue is black sometimes. I mean, I used to have this issue a while ago, and I'm doing alright on Instagram. So be aware of patterns when it comes to colors. If you see that there's a color, a specific color that ranks really well on your export page within your niche, if you like content and consume content within your niche, use it. For example, for my YouTube channel and also for my Instagram account, I see that minimal photos work better, less things within the post. If I go on this post right here, you can see it's performing really well compared to these posts with the carousels, and I'll stop the carousel for a while because it's really minimal, it's very clean, it's kind of clickbaity. I had to use Photoshop to do it after Lightroom presets, stuff like that, but it's pretty clean. That's a color palette. Blue, orange works for me really well. The whole photo is blue and orange, right? The sofa is blue, pillows are blue, there's orange light, then I pop these colors with Lightroom, and it works really well for me. And patterns in general work. If you see a pattern with the captions, for example, on your export page, you see that posts with long captions are outperforming others. Chances are because human behavior comes in patterns and it's repeatable. If it happened before, it might happen again. You can duplicate, make better. I'm not saying copy them, but get inspired, write something better than a caption. For example, you see a lot of behind the scenes captions or motivational captions or emoji captions on the export page, on your export page. You can use this information. If you have no idea how to write a good caption with paragraphs, stuff like that, there's a whole video. It goes very in depth into the art of storytelling. You can see in the cards above. And again, don't forget to promote your piece of content when it comes out. Yes, the first 30 minutes up to 2 hours are very important and can determine how your post ranks, but do promote it a few days after, as we said, if it outperforms. Just tease it, do some stories on it. You just check my recent post, here it is, comment your favorite color, comment on what you like, stuff like that can get more comments, more likes on it. Maybe even do a giveaway. Again, if this video helped you out, actually it's the first time I'm asking you within the video for it, like it. It really helps me out. This is free information. I could have charged, and I'm charging clients for consulting calls for this information. I'm giving it out for free. So just like this video, really helps me out. And also, if you wanna be shouted out in one of the next videos, comment your Instagram username down below, or TikTok username or YouTube channel. The secret word in this video is good content. Here are the shoutout winners from this video. What, you don't see them? Here they are. Remember that a video that keeps the doctor away. This is no financial or medical advice. By the end of this video, check one of these videos out. See you next one. Bye.